So our aim here at Acklam is to bring you unique vehicles, and we've been very successful at doing so. This is another example of it. So this is a Golf R, yes, finished in pure white, but it's very unique in itself. So it's got a bespoke gloss black body styling kit on it, and that includes badges front and rear. It's also got a roof wrap as well, but if you look at the roof, it has got a sliding panoramic roof. So yes, it is a Golf R, but it's got all the spec that you would want on one and those unique extras on it as well. So mention the colour, pure white, and the paintwork is immaculate, and the reason it is immaculate, it's done 2,000 miles. It's got the upgraded Adelaide alloys on it, so they're finished in a black and anthracite, so that's a nice feature on them. You've got those blue Golf R brake calipers, which fit in lovely with the front grille. And when that's lit up, that is obviously illuminated. Just to mention the bespoke styling kit, you've got a front splitter, gloss black. The badge has been done in solid gloss black as well, so this is a 73 plate, but with 2,000 miles on this front end is absolutely immaculate. You'll notice the IQ headlights, which obviously come on all Golf Rs now, but those really bright and visible headlights give you a nice cool feature to the front. Coming down the side, so to extend that kit, you've got the side Javelin in gloss black, privacy glass, mention the roof, but then you've also got the roof which has been wrapped as well. Lovely spoiler, so again, nice big fixed spoilers, giving it a slightly different look to those Golf Rs that you will see on the market. IQ headlights to the rear, and you've also got that badging again. 320 brake horsepower in one of these and four-wheel drive, so the performance is unbelievable on them. And then when you get to the interior, you've got a really nice look. So that colour that you've seen on the outside with the black and then the chrome as well, but then you've also got the blue. So the blue running from the brake calipers, then to the interior. So you'll notice that roof, which I'll show you in a second. So this one, when I said it has the options you want on it, one of them is the winter pack, which I'll explain what that gives you. Now, when the camera comes round, you'll notice it's got some carbon effect extras that are being put on it. So let's give it, again, that slightly unique look. Winter pack, like we mentioned, so heated steering wheel. You've then got the features that you'd expect to see: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, specs such as that. Mileage is exactly 2828, so just under 3,000 miles, so hardly any whatsoever. Heated front seats, and then you've got this lovely display which you'll have seen on the rest of the Golf Rs we have. So you've got obviously the lighting display which you can change navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android. Wireless phone charger down there, your climate control all used, and this carbon effect, like I mentioned, is being put all the way throughout of it. This one also has the rear view camera, so front and rear sensors, rear view camera, so another feature that you would want to see on a Golf R. And then that feature I like is that sliding sunroof, so that opens right up. You do have a visor to put open if you want to, front LED headlights as well, so all touchscreen. Slightly extended paddles on this one, so just give it a slightly nicer look. And then on that steering wheel, you've got full leather and blue stitching, so the colour combo on this is unbelievable. Been very well looked after, again, as you'd expect on a car with just under 3,000 miles. When it comes to the mileage, so the performance, we've mentioned the mileage, but then you've also got manufacturer's warranty until 2026. So again, peace of mind as far as that's concerned. So yes, it's a Golf R. It's very bespoke, very uniquely equipped as far as the look. And then obviously it's being kept in immaculate condition. So if you are looking for a Golf R, but you do want to stand out from the crowd, this will be the car for you. If you are interested, my name's Paddy, the phone number's to the side, and I look forward to speaking to you when you inquire.